Want to watch Hulu in your Tesla? It's easy. Tesla's infotainment system, Tesla Theater, lets you stream Hulu directly on your car's touchscreen. You'll need a Hulu subscription and Tesla's premium connectivity. This video will guide you through the setup and streaming process, covering everything you need to know to enjoy your favorite shows on the go or while parked. First, ensure premium connectivity is active in your Tesla account. You can do this through the Tesla app or your car's settings. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to the Tesla App Store, which is found in the navigation menu. Search for the Hulu app in the App Store and tap Install to download it to your Tesla. Once the installation is complete, open the Hulu app from your Tesla's app menu. Finally, log in with your Hulu credentials to start streaming content. Once logged in, you can browse Hulu's library as you would on any device. Use the touchscreen to navigate, select shows or movies, and control playback. Tesla also supports voice commands. Say, "Hey Tesla, play Hulu" to start the app, or use voice commands for play, pause, and other controls. Use the touchscreen to navigate Hulu's library. Tap to select shows, movies, or episodes. Tesla supports voice commands for Hulu control. Say, "Hey Tesla, play Hulu" to start, or use commands like play, pause, and skip. Tesla prioritizes safety above all else. In many regions, Hulu playback is automatically paused when the car is in motion to prevent driver distraction. This feature complies with important regulations like NHTSA guidelines in the United States. Streaming on Hulu is primarily designed for use while your Tesla is parked. The system automatically detects motion and pauses playback to keep you safe. Always remember to check your local laws regarding video playback while driving, as regulations can vary by region. Encountering problems with Hulu streaming in your Tesla? Here are some common troubleshooting steps to resolve the most frequent issues. First, check that your premium connectivity subscription is active. Without it, you won't be able to stream Hulu. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select Subscription to verify your status. Second, ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with apps like Hulu. Check for updates in the Settings menu under Software. Third, verify your Hulu login credentials are correct. Make sure you've entered the right email and password in the Hulu app on your Tesla. Fourth, try restarting the Tesla's infotainment system. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously until the system restarts. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Tesla support for personalized help. You can visit tesla.com/support or use the help feature in the Tesla app. Remember, Tesla is here to help make your driving experience enjoyable. Hulu uses adaptive bitrate streaming technology. This automatically adjusts video quality based on your data connection strength, ensuring smooth playback regardless of network conditions. For HD streams, expect to use between 1.5 and 3 gigabytes of data per hour. This varies based on content and connection quality. Tesla's premium connectivity provides unlimited data for streaming, but the system monitors for excessive consumption to maintain fair usage across the network. With 5G connectivity, buffering is significantly reduced, providing a much smoother streaming experience compared to older network generations. In-car streaming is a rapidly growing trend in the automotive industry, with Tesla leading the way through innovative integrations like Hulu. Looking ahead, expect future enhancements such as AI-driven content recommendations powered by Tesla's Grok AI, which will suggest shows based on your driving patterns and preferences. Augmented reality integration will provide immersive overlays on your windshield, combining navigation with entertainment for a truly futuristic experience. These advancements, along with 5G connectivity and personalized features, will make your Tesla an unparalleled mobile entertainment hub. Enjoy your shows and movies on the go, safely and legally, as Tesla continues to redefine in-car entertainment.